Is HDR making your videos look overprocessed or causing long upload times? Turning off HDR on your iPhone can simplify your videos, improve compatibility, and speed up uploads. In this guide, I'll show you how to disable HDR video recording step by step. Let's dive in. Step 1. Turn off HDR video in Settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on Camera. Tap Record Video under the Camera menu. Locate the HDR video option. Toggle it off to disable HDR video recording. Step 2. Test non-HDR recording. Open the Camera app. Switch to video mode. Record a short clip and check the video to confirm HDR is turned off. Just follow these steps to turn off HDR on your iPhone, so your videos are easier to upload without losing quality. If this video helped, hit that like button, and for more simple tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.